Snowflake are a US and international cloud-based data platform provider, and in today's chart of the day I'm going to dig into the technical analysis of the stock price and see where they may be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Snowflake are a relatively new public company. September 2020 they went live, price immediately shooting up to highs of around $390 before pulling all the way back down under, around about $200 lows in May of this year, before once again you can see in that purple channel the price picking up very nicely and creating new highs around $393, $395 before in the last few weeks pulling back 11%. Now interestingly, earnings were out deck one for Snowflake, and you can see a surprise to the upside on earnings, 164%, and revenue just over 9%, so not too bad there. So we could be looking at a consolidation zone around this 78.6 line, the mid 350s, for a further bounce upwards. If not, it's down to the 61.8% line at $320, $321, and then below that the 38.2 at 277. But this could be a sell-off opportunity for a longer term bounce back up towards those highs. Talking about bounce backs to highs, then the line break chart here, 4 line break chart with 2 bar reversal could be your thing, and especially if you're still bullish, because that's the direction that reversal is going in at the moment. The first one, 343, has already passed, although if you look at the bottom there, that didn't marry into the stochastic, so that would have been too early, so the entry is probably a bit higher than that. But if we're on the 4-4 line break, then 396 right up there is the next longer term bullish play, but I fancy that there'll be something in between that as a possible entry point. Now the daily Heikin-Ashi chart, our signals at the moment currently bearish, but look possibly to be bottoming. Volatility's picked up quite a lot in the last few days, up to 86% annual from an average of 34%. Volume today looking strong above its longer term moving average, but it has been, I say, the last week or so weak, as we've seen the price pulling off from recent highs. So in terms of price action, we did have a sell signal, but the price has gone back into the 2 pink box line set up, and regression wise sitting pretty much near the middle of the the mean of that trend, slightly upwards from sort of late 2020. And in terms of price noise, well, there's quite a bit around here, so we could be witnessing a consolidation and a pop higher. So an improving picture for the Renko chart, $5 block size, and our signals all turned green. We're trading above the longer term moving average, price moving back within the 2 pink line box breaks set up. And in terms of targets, if it continues on upwards, 400 area, break that, it's 459, and nearly 500 at 488. Downsides, 61.8% line at 322, then just below that longer term moving average, 38.2% at 272, but looking a lot more bullish in the shorter term at the moment. So it looks to be an improving technical analysis situation for Snowflake at the moment. High Kinashi, weak bullish overall, underlying factors slowly improving, those signals moving from bearish to weak bearish, hopefully getting a bit stronger after that 10-11% pullback in price, and Renko much shorter term and a lot more bullish. Now if you're thinking of bullish trades, then the 4-line break chart may help you out. Now we've already passed the first aggressive entry at 343. We have a conservative entry at 396, but that's based off the daily chart, so it's a long way away. If you sped up the time frames of the line break chart, you could get earlier entry points around 360, 370. Now focusing on the targets, upsides 2.97 and 3.93 to 1, looking a lot better than the downsides, which are at 1.08 and 1.64 to 1. But overall, weak bullish score for Snowflake at the moment. So final thoughts on Snowflake. It looks an improving technical analysis picture, with the earnings results out and the fundamentals all looking also very good. It's also in a very strong sector and industry, so the signs are there for more positive action, but always time in with your technical analysis for entry. Let me know what you think of Snowflake as a stock. Where do you think it's going next? Do you agree, disagree with the analysis in today's video? If you liked today's video, then please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell buttons to receive further future notification of content I will be producing. All that's left for me to say then is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.